news. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. Samsung has started pushing out the Android security patch for the month of May. The first device to receive this latest patch is the Galaxy J2 Pro 2018. The update is currently hitting units in the Asian country of Bangladesh. There's currently no information if any other changes are part of the update. Given that it's an over-the-air rollout, it might take time for the update notification to pop up on your unit, so be patient. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.